Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Dollar Tree and you can see that they have quite a few Easter items here still. I'm actually noticing that they have the wire carrot wreath, which I haven't seen at any other stores. And the oversized twine eggs. These are selling pretty fast everywhere. What have you done with them? Any cute DIY ideas out there? It's hard to see, but there is some glitter on the decals. This one here just has a ribbon. I love the bright colors. They're fun. Little eggs. The bunny with the little tail, but cottontail, super cute. Well, these are new to me. Haven't seen them anywhere else. They would almost work for a baby shower as well. This one has like a blue bottom egg. These look like wood, but I believe somebody said they were made of a resin. So they have the three colors. I've seen them in people's displays and they look very nice. Glittery rubber ducks. These are kind of newer. They have little flowers in the handle. And the lip gloss has some dry floral, I believe, in the barrel. Has anyone made a wreath with this wire form? I think it would look really nice. Even just like florals arranged along the bottom with a green top. But it helps secure things. The garland is fun. I think this would be cute for a kid Easter party or something like that. They have all the gnomes, but they're not selling that well this year. I wasn't sure if we were going to get the Sesame Street Easter eggs, but they're very cute, very colorful. And of course, then they have the other ones. These garland carrots are sweet as well. Perfect for making a mini wreath. They have new bags this year. I think maybe not, maybe they're the same as last year. These are placemats. They're great for kiddos. This one's a large table activity coloring sheet. They have tablecloths as well if you're having an Easter hunt party or something where kids have to, I don't know, set up their little table with their baskets. I think it would be a nice look. By the way, have you spotted these? These are salt and pepper shakers, but I would just use them as, you know, if you do tiered trays, as just decor cups. These are plastic with a little print, and then they have all sorts of napkins with different prints as well to go with the paper plates. How pretty are they? And there's 14 in a set. I love this too. The bunny plates with the little carrots. These have 2 per pack, and they're just a cardboard type of little bin. Lots of small things here to add in Easter baskets. I love the coloring books. They have the giant bunnies that you can easily transform into a mossed bunny. So that's always nice. Or you can paint it and distress it to make it look like a metal. These remind me of the Peeps. I haven't found any of the Peeps plushies. I'm sure they sold out instantly. It has a little bunny inside. Oh, this one has a little chick. So cute. They have games here. And of course, then they have some fun novelty things like these squishy pens. They wouldn't be comfortable for writing, but just as decor almost. Very cute. They have little erasers. Fun novelty type glasses and more erasers here. The canvas bags, they do have new prints this year. So the little florals, the plaid. Last year was a couple different prints, so it is nice to see some new ones here. The boxes are really nice as well. Are you using them as gift, like bag holders or gift holders? This is cute. They just added a ribbon, which gives me a good idea on some other baskets that I sometimes see if you want to dress them up. Oh, they have another set here. I didn't even notice when I was looking at these. So there's a bunny and a carrot. I grabbed the one with the eggs. Now I'm confused and don't know which one I should get. I think that's it, though. There aren't any other prints here. Oh my goodness, these little pens are adorable. Just, I don't think that they're practical, but maybe they look cute on a desk or in a pencil case. I don't know. What are these, macaroons? They also have these bath drops. I'm just not sure if they stain your bathtub, but they would be nice as part of an Easter basket. Just thought I'd take some time to go through the upper shelf because sometimes we miss these things. So these coloring books are actually really nice. The pages are great quality. They're white pages and then the sticker sheets in the middle. But there's a variety of different Easter coloring books. Really nice pages. So see here, there's a couple sheets of stickers and they're vibrant. They're very nice. Really strange to me, but the different Dollar Trees I have visited have different wall signs, like these hanging decor pieces. So I just thought I'd take a few moments here to go through this wall because they have way better variety than any other store. So this is the line from the Easter collection, and I haven't seen any 100% cotton towels that go with this line, but they do have the microfiber that match. So they're here. I wish that these came out in the tea towels. The flour sack towels would be amazing. They have peeps here, just the yellow and purple. Have you seen any other colors? If these skipping ropes had the actual plastic rope instead of the fabric, I would be tempted to purchase them. I think they're wonderful, wonderful gifts to have as well. These are little bubble blowers. I wonder if they work well. Do they dispense a nice bubble effect? That would be nice for the bathtub even. These are great for making Easter baskets with. You can just fill them with goodies. These have a bottom. I'm not sure if anyone else saw that. It might be helpful when you're watering things. And they have these self-watering sticks as well. They're plastic. They're a nice size. Fair size, I should say. There's a couple different options. This one's a pattern of a bird. I like the ball. And they have little metal decor for your garden. Lots of plastic planters and also ceramic ones, a variety of different sizes, and then all your faux flowers as well. These are plant clips, and I'm wondering if they're worth having for like tomato plants because it shows here that they support to a stick. You can see they clip like this. So if anyone has any feedback, because it does have metal, so I'm not sure. These are glass, by the way. Oh my goodness, I actually love the look of this little glass. I think it would look really pretty. I have a bonsai tree, and oh my goodness, I sometimes forget to water it. And I'm not sure, maybe the glass one would look prettier. Do you use a garden flag to decorate your garden? So there's some honeybee stuff here. Welcome spring. There's a variety of bee-themed honeybee with a plaid border. This one's a honeycomb. This is plant food. Is it Jobies or Jobs? Maybe Jobies. Plant food, indoor plant food. They have frogs if you're a fan of frogs. They also have the stone, I guess like a faux stone decor for your garden. You can lay it flat, maybe some pretty moss grows around it. So these are back. Last year, I feel like we didn't have them at most Dollar Trees, maybe some that had leftover inventory from previous years. This is a flexible tie system. Quite a few items here on the end cap for St. Patrick's Day. I like the foam shamrock. And anyways, I thought I'd check out the stationery. One of my weaknesses is pens and paper, so why not take a look and see what's here. Oh my gosh, this is a little vehicle, a funny looking thing. How would that be comfortable when you're riding with it? I guess you don't. Don't really see anything too new here. Have you been spotting any new pens like made by Zebra or any good brand or fun pen that you like that writes really smooth? It could be gel. I got excited. I thought these were Zebra, but they're actually ink. The ink company. There's the Pro Marks. They also sell a marker that works in the Cricut machine. It clips in pretty easily. Oh, here's some Sharpies. Metallic colors. I'll take a look at these are multicolored pens with cute little character designs on them.
Okay, great. Thank you.
I haven't seen this sticker set before. Really pretty. The bike. But it's all by itself. Really nice stickers here for doing some fun layouts or paper crafts. You'll appreciate the value in some of these packs. By the way, I have quite a few organizing type systems up along the top on their shelves. These have been around for a little bit, but they're hard to come across. Another beautiful set. These are transparent and they're made by Forever and Time as well. As of recently, I have noticed that Dollar Tree has a lot of books, novels for adults, young teens, and children's books. And they sell fairly quickly. So if you see something you like, definitely buy it. They have the Arthur books, which is wonderful as part of an Easter gift. And they have the Arthur plushies typically as well, so you can put them together. It's hard to get some of these out, and then I'm afraid I'm going to knock them, but I love my grandma. That's what it says. And then there's some other children's hardcover books here. Baby Shark. It's made by Nickelodeon. See, so there's a bunch of novels here. I'll kind of browse through them, see if there's anything that catches your attention. If you're into junk journaling as well, you can repurpose the hard cover of these novels and just, deconstruct them in a way to make them fit your junk journaling needs. So this section here is mostly kids' toys. And again, because of Easter, I thought I would take my time sharing some of this is a Grow Squishy just show you some. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of when we used to play with the parachute, the giant. Everyone would hold on to a piece of the rainbow, and then the balls would just bounce up and down. What was that called? There was a name for that parachute blanket. What's in these boxes? Fashion fidgets. Is it like a little pop type thing? This is a little cup, by the way. So if your kiddo's into like Starbucks, this would be fun to attach to their backpack. The plushies are so popular, so it looks like there's a new line here. And typically we see Mickey and Winnie the Pooh, the Minions we've seen as well. I don't think I've noticed this one here, but normally you see these. Daisy, Spider-Man, super cute. Sums, right? They're pretty popular still. Little charms as well. So Tinkerbell, if you have a birthday cake theme that you want to do, find these little. And this is a interesting fidget type toy. But yeah, you can find the little pieces and then make a nice birthday cake. I think these are new. Yeah, I haven't seen this before. Lots of glass options here. And also I'm not sure how everyone uses the marbles, but if you need them, they have a variety of styles and colors. So you can even, pick and choose what you want. You can combine things as well. I love the mini combos here of the floral. Like you can really use them, deconstruct them, and then add them. Even, make a little wreath. There's options here. I like that they've put them near the wreaths just to give you some inspiration. But look at the large wreath as well here. The wire wreath form, sorry. It's not a wreath because there's nothing done on it. I was hoping to find some of the greenery, but they only have the dry packs here. I used to find some foam cutouts. You can cover these in the little disco themed or even these little gems. This is a new line at Dollar Tree. I've never seen it before. Nordic. And they have the laundry pack. They have the 10 per pack here. And it actually smells lovely when you walk over. And that's what caught my attention, to be honest. Like, this smells really nice. I like it. I'm not sure if anyone else loved to hear your opinion, if it's a yes or no. They have the anti or wrinkle away spray. Resolve in a very large container. Just visiting the pet aisle. They do have some new packs here of Milk-Bone and dipped ones for those who appreciate seeing what's available. My bear is so picky, he doesn't really eat treats, to be honest, so I like to share with you guys, and I'm envious of those who do have treat-loving doggies. This is such a cute toy, almost for like a display purpose. If you're doing a tiered tray or some sort of fun activity, even more so than a dog toy. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.